Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. Two poles of equal height. So I'll take here AB and CD are two poles standing on opposite side of the road, which is 120 feet. See here the question is in terms of feet, 120 feet. From a point between them, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30. So I'll take a point here where the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 60 degrees, and from here another one is at 30 degrees. Okay, so total is 120. So this AP I'll consider it as X. So angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30 respectively. Find the height of the pole. So height of the pole considered as H, and the distance of the point from the poles. This position from this pole it is at what distance, and from this pole it is at what distance, we have to tell. Total is 120. Okay, this is P. This PC will be 120 minus X. 120 minus X. Now take the two triangles and try to calculate it. So first take BAP. Triangle BAP. Theta is 60, opposite is H, adjacent is X. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is here AB, adjacent is AP. So tan angle is 60 degrees. Opposite is H, adjacent is X. Tan 60 is root 3 equals H by X. So root 3x equals H. This is one equation. Next, if we'll take another triangle, DCP. Triangle DCP. Again tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. Here in this case, opposite is CD and adjacent will be like PC. So tan 30 degrees, opposite is H, adjacent is 120 minus X. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is H by 120 minus X. If you cross multiply, 120 minus X by root 3 equals H. This is equation 2. Now see, from 1 and 2, if we'll simplify, I'll simplify here. From 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, H is common. So if I'll write root 3x equals 120 minus X by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3x equals 120 minus X. 3x equals 120 minus X. Now 3x, if I transpose this minus X, it will become plus X, is 120. So 4x is 120. So X equals 120 by 4. 125 is, therefore the value of X is 30. The value of X is 30. So height is nothing but, just if we'll substitute this value 30 here, height is root 3x. So X is 30, so 30 root 3 meters. So height of the poles are equal poles. Two poles are of equal height. So both the heights are 30 root 3 meters. And find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the pole. See, first one is PA. PA is X, which is 30 meters. PC, which is, sorry, it is in feet. So write feet. PC is 120 feet minus X. So 120 minus 30, which is 90 feet. If the problem is in terms of like meters, write meters. If it is in terms of feet, just write answer feet only. So the point from the first pole, it is at a distance of 30 feet, and from the second pole, it is at a distance of 90 feet. And what is the height of the height is 30 root 3 feet.